Hi, I'm Shay with Crafting with Shay. Today we're going to be looking at this adorable mandala with these two pink flamingos and these gorgeous flowers surrounding them. So let's go ahead and talk about the details of the painting. Again, it's called Flamingo Mandala and it is licensed artwork from Sachin Sativa. It is square diamonds and the diamond count is 20,408. The size of the image is a 40 by 40 in centimeters or 15.7 by 15.7 in inches. It does have 46 colors, and that's right here. And it also includes 4 ABs and then 4 shimmer diamonds. First, let me take a look at the sticker sheet. So it has all the information you can use here. You can put this in a logbook. And these stickers are great. They are individually cut, so they just peel right off and you can put them right on your storage containers, okay? And I like how she's got the special drills labeled in different colors here on the sticker sheet. So here's the color palette. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. These are individually bagged and in order, so you can work straight out of baggies if you want to, all right? So let's see where these ABs go. And AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a special coating on the drills that make them sparkle just a little bit brighter. We've got a blue, kind of an orange, a red, and a purple, all right? Let's see where this blue, this is 996, and it's gonna be in the center of these blue flowers and here in the petals, this one and this one, these two, and these two flowers. The next one is 946 AB, and like I said, it's like an orange color. That's going to be in the center of these yellow flowers right here. We've got that vibrant orange color in here and here. These two, also this flower in the center. And I also see it over here. That's gonna be beautiful. I love that. The next AB we have is 666. It's this really pretty red. And that will be also in the center of these flowers. In addition, all the red kind of leaves that you see right here, it will be in there. It's actually in the flamingo's legs, some on their feet, some over in this flower, some also in these branches right here. And I also see a few over here and in the center, and also up here in this red. Oh, that's gonna be just gorgeous. All right, our last AB is purple. It's 208. That will be right here in this purple flower, and in this one, and this one that's right in between the flamingos. So now we have, if that wasn't enough, there's more. We have 4 shimmer. Now the shimmer drills they just have like a lighter coating than the ABs. They're like a dusting, okay? So the first one we're gonna look at is 964, this beautiful teal. And that is going to be kind of inside these blue flowers right here. I see it here, here, inside here. So it's gonna be really pretty. You're gonna have an AB and a shimmer in these blue flowers. And also here. Oh, I love that. All right, the next one is this really pretty pale pink, 963. And that's the @ symbol. I definitely see a ton in the flamingos. On the feathers, almost like that lighter color will be this here, right here, on their neck, right here on their face, down through here. Okay, so definitely where the flamingos are. And then the last one is, not the last one, but the other pink is 956. And that is, it looks like a tree symbol, and that's the darker pink that you see here. So these flamingos are really gonna sparkle. I just see it all throughout here. Yes, oh, that's gonna be just gorgeous. And our last special diamond is 444. Look at the coating on that. All right, so let's see where this is gonna go. Oh, yep, definitely in these yellow flowers right here. These are gonna really pop. So in here, and this one in the center, this larger yellow one here, and here, and this one, and this one. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Let's talk about some additional add-ons, okay? If you want a premium upgrade, what you can do is, Munimade definitely offers a dust cover bag, and it will come in this blue color, okay? Keeps your diamond painting safe. It's a cute little bag. It's got the drawstrings. And also, if you want to upgrade your toolkit, you can get a hot pink small tray with a lid. This is just a sample. It'll be a little bit bigger than this, but you'll get the hot pink lid stopper. In addition to, you get a cover minder, washi tape, a pot that has some blue wax in it, some tweezers, and a pen in this organza bag. We do have an extendable carrying tube. Now, it is extendable. So like I say, you just kind of notch it if you know, depending on the size of your diamond painting, and it just opens right up. And it's great for travel. And also it does come with this tag. So if you want to put this tag, you can attach it to your strap, and there you go. You'll know what your painting is. And also, Munimade does offer a toolkit, a basic toolkit, and it is free. So it's an option you can choose. A lot of us that have been diamond painting for a while already have toolkits, so I like the option of I don't want one. I don't want the waste, the cost. So yeah, you can just opt in for one of these if you need one, and it is free. Okay. All right, that's it for this one. Again, this is available now on munimade.com. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Okay, bye.